Well, your app should be great, but it is also important to have an efficient website because you can use your website as a medium to gain customers so that you can use the website page to get people that come onto your site and direct them towards your app. Like if your mobile app is your primary business, use your website as a like a branding page or a promotional page, and at the same time as a medium through which you can direct your users to your app and so that you can make sure that they download your apps and they use it on a daily basis. You have to make sure that your website is it's really a high caliber website where the user interface is optimized and it's got all the features that a user would want in a website. And like it's almost like a prologue to what your app has. It's like a teaser of what your app has to offer. So your website should give things that will make the users really interested in downloading your app. People may not know your app directly, so website is a great way to gain traffic and to gain customers for your app. You have to make sure that you've got the SEO done properly for your website, and that you've got all the information in place on your website page. And look carefully that and fix if there are any problems on the website page, and to not leave any doubts in the minds of your potential customers.